In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Java for Minecraft the right way. If you want Minecraft, Forge, or other Java-based mods to run properly, you'll need to make sure the correct version of Java is installed on your computer. Before installing a new version, it's a good idea to remove any older Java installations. To do this, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and launch the Settings app. From the left sidebar, select Apps, then click Installed Apps. Use the search bar to search for Java. If you find any existing Java versions, uninstall them so you can start with a clean installation. Once that's done, open your preferred web browser, search for Java, and open the official Oracle Java website. On the home page, scroll down and click Download Java for Desktop. On the next page, click the Download button to get the latest Java installer for your computer. After the download finishes, open the installer from your Downloads folder and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. The setup only takes a few moments. When it's finished, click Close. If you are having trouble opening a Forge installer or another Java file, try right-clicking the file, selecting Open With, then choose another app. Select Java Platform SE from the list, and check Always Use this app before clicking OK. Your Forge installer should now launch correctly. In some cases, you may also need to install the Java SE Development Kit, JDK. To do that, return to the Oracle Java homepage and select Developer Downloads. Scroll down until you find the JDK downloads. Choose your operating system, in this example, Windows, and download the x64 installer. Once the JDK download is complete, open the installer and follow the setup wizard to install it on your computer. After the installation finishes, your system will have everything needed to run Minecraft, Forge, and other Java-based applications without errors. That's it. Your Java installation is now complete, and you should be ready to launch Minecraft successfully. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, share your experience in the comments, and subscribe for more Minecraft guides and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.